Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back on Windows Fixer. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable Windows Update. Now, it's on you if you want it permanently or temporary. Both methods are simple. Only you need to do here, just click on the Windows icon, then type here services.msc or just type services and hit enter. Once you open this, now simply you need to search here the Windows Update. Now, probably every YouTuber teach this, but don't worry, I'll guide you completely. Only here you can disable the temporary and the permanently only in this section. Now the first thing, you can stop this, so your PC will not search for Windows Update anymore. Now, but it's a temporary method. You can just disable it from here, and it's a temporary. It will automatically restore after this. Now see here, if you go here into the recovery mode, then you can see first failure, restart the servers. Okay, take no action. Just set here the take no action. The second failure, take no action. The third, take no action. And now reset fail count after 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. So it's on you. If you want it permanently, you can type here the 0 or just type here the 999 or just 999 or 49. So it will not start automatically after the 999 days. So it's a long journey. So you can just put here the 333 for 1 year. Probably people just reinstall their Windows, so 999 is fine, but it's on you. Just hit apply. Okay, now for 999 days means a 1 year your Windows will not update. So this is the easiest way, I guess, and I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, and if you are facing any kind of issue, just let me know in the comment section, because got a comment from you. I'm just making tutorials through your comments, so just update, just drop your feedback. See you in the next video. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.